Hey, guess what? Mr. Rich here. Some auto tips. So what I have here today. 2019 Nissan Armada. Customer state, customer got stuck. So they put a new battery in and car will not start. Alright, so check it out. I went outside, bring it in, won't start. So I lift it up. Check it out. I lift it up, take the wheels off, drop it down. I turn the engine, make sure the engine not seized. So the engine turn. So check it out. This engine gonna start. What do you think? I'm gonna jump it from here with my Power Pro. It's all hooked up. All right. So keep your finger crossed. I'm gonna jump it right here. Fuse box here. It's red wire. Right here. You see? Power went out. Alright, so let me get this going here. Alright, now I leave the ignition on and I'm going to hot wire right here. Jump the starter from here. And this car should start right up. Check it out. What happened? Ready? Wait, I'm not getting a good signal here. My ground maybe not good either. Power here. Good. Let's see. Good. Alright. Should get a ground here. Alright, now let's hit the starter now. Alright. There you go. And baby's running. I don't know how long you're gonna run for like that with the starter, but I'm gonna recommend a starter too. Recommend a starter here for this customer. Be on the safe side. Alright, so I think got like 70,000 miles this car has. Let me go shut it off and start it again and see what happened. Alright, shut it off. Let's start it up. Start right up. These OEM starter you can get about say 100, 200,000 miles out of a starter. Alright, so I don't know, we changed one here last week. This one truck like this one, Armada. I think he had the same kind of problem. Got stuck in one position, so I turned the engine and start right up. All right, so I'm still gonna recommend a starter for him. And here what he wants to do. Check it out. All right, so you take it easy, all right? And I'll talk to you soon. Check it out. It's my buddy over here, jerk off. So I got it running and let's check it out later.